So I really believe in one way or the other you must have formatted your flash drive before, your memory card before, your external drive, or any type of storage device before. So during the process of formatting, you must have chosen a file system, and you yourself might not realize the type of file system that you have chosen. And also, some file systems are usually set up for those who do not know which type of file system to pick from. So in this video, I'm going to show you the type of file system you should consider using for your flash drive, your memory card, your external drive, or any type of external storage. I will show you the type of file system you should consider using, like exFat. Have you heard the word file system before? Well, without the file system, the operating system or your OS might not be able to effectively organize or structurize your data or your files, your document in your drive. And we have different types of file system, but for the sake of this video, we are going to be talking about the file system that are used at default for Windows. So we have the NTFS, we have the Fat32, and the exFat. Let me start from this note. The NTFS file system is the current or the latest file system that is currently in use. Let's say, for example, if you are installing a new Windows, the operating system wants to make sure that it formats your drive into NTFS mode, so that whenever your system runs into an error, it helps to recover the error on time and to put your system back into proper shape. Or let's say if your Windows operating system eventually gets crashed out, it is very possible for you to recover some of your essential files back when you take your system to an IT support specialist. That means the NTFS made it easy for you to go through the back door to recover some of your essential files. So we can conclude here that the NTFS is most suitable for internal storage, such as your hard drive. We have the Fat32, and the Fat32 is the oldest among the levels of file system that we are currently discussing, and the most widely used file system. When you're dealing with different types of manufacturer OS, let's say for example Windows, Mac, Linux, and you'll be transferring file from your Linux into your Windows operating system, from your Windows operating system into your Mac, you want to make sure that the right type of file system you use is the Fat32, because it is the most widely used and compatible file system among different level or different types of OS. The NTFS file format does not support the transfer of files from different types of manufacturer OS, which of course the Fat32 can do effectively and efficiently. As good as Fat32, as good as it is, it has its own limitation. We have the NTFS, which helps to prevent the occurrence of error, but in Fat32, multiple errors at any time can occur, and you might not be able to copy files that are larger than 4 gig at a stretch into your drive if the file format is set to Fat32. And if your storage device is more than 32 gig, you might not be able to use the features of Fat32. Let's say if you are having 120 gig, 250 gig, 500 gig, it does not support Fat32. These are some of the limitations that Fat32 is currently facing, and that's the reason why the exFat replaces the Fat32. So we have the exFat. So we have the exFat, which replaces the biggest challenge and limitations of Fat32. With the exFat, you can copy files that are larger than 4 gig, and also if your storage device is more than 32 gig, let's say 64 gig, 120 gig, 256 gig, 500 gig, 1 terabyte, you can maximize the exFat. So we can actually conclude from here that the exFat is most suitable for your storage device. Let's say if you're having a flash drive, a memory card, it is most suitable for it. So the summary of all of this is that your NTFS is most suitable for internal storage, let's say your hard drive, and your Fat32 is most suitable for the transfer of data from different manufacturers of OS. Let's say the transfer of data from Mac into Windows, from Windows into Linux, and the Fat32 is most suitable for your external storage. Let's say for example your flash drive, your memory card, you can name it anything external storage device. So you yourself can be a powerful user. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are most welcome. I would like you to give me a thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're having issue surrounding your PC, I would like you to drop it in the comment section below and let us treat it together. So see you in my next video.